Hey there! If you're shopping online and wondering, is Signs Customs legit or just another scam? Let's clear things up fast. First off, there's no big, well-known company officially named Signs Customs as of 2026. But let's break this down because the answer depends on what you're dealing with. Now, if you're talking about Signs.com, the custom signage company, they're real. They've got hundreds of verified reviews on sites like Yelp. Most folks love their quick turnaround and design help. But in 2026, a few customers have complained about being asked for weird stuff, like photo IDs or even device locations, for security. That's annoyed some people, but overall, Signs.com and similar sites like Signs Direct are legit and have proper accreditation. But here's where it gets shady. If you get a random call, text or email from Signs Customs or SARS Customs about a package, it's almost definitely a scam. Scammers have been posing as customs officials lately, claiming you need to pay release fees to get your parcel. They use threats, like saying you'll get in legal trouble or even go to prison, just to pressure you into paying fast. Here's the truth. Real government agencies will never call you out of the blue for payments or personal codes. The South African Revenue Service, for example, has straight up warned people about these tricks. So, how do you spot a scam? Watch for these red flags. Demands for payment by cash, wire transfer, or crypto only. Super urgent threats, like pay now or lose your package. Weird-looking invoices with sloppy formatting. Messages about packages you never ordered. If you see any of these, hit delete and report it. Stay safe out there.